I'm going to make a backsplash here and like a border. I just scratch it to add a border backsplash here. Just want to change the look for the washroom, look better. I'm going to put a new mirror here and want to stick a tile for the vanity area. Okay, I just want to change the entire look for the washroom, adding some renovation. Okay, this is a look before we doing some style. Okay, I just want to shoot this before we put in. This is the wall now. We're going to cut 4 lines from the 1 square feet tile, and we cut it like this, and we already scratched the tile to get a good grip from the glazed tile. We use a scraper tool for hand saw. I changed the hand saw blade to a scraper tool. I did this. Okay, and I'm going to put the mortar and stick it. Okay, like this. Okay, first we're going to measure this and find out how many tile we need to cut. We're going to start from here, okay, and we mark it here, the tip, and how we just approximate, we measure it. We just mark it here. Just mark it here, and we put it here. Okay. We cut this by the saw, a tile cutting saw with water, and we stick it here. And we stick it here. Stick it here, one piece came off. Stick it here. Okay. this. Okay, approximately we measure it, and we cut it exactly right on. Okay. Start from here. Okay, and we just align with the tile. Okay, exactly the same. We align with both the distance. We don't want to up and down. We just want to exactly the same size. Okay, and make it even. Okay. Then okay, when we cut the piece in the tip, really careful. Okay, once we took out from the plate and we forgot this is the start, this is the end, we don't know. We have to be remember which side is the front, which side is the end. Then we need to cut in the front first. Then we start from here. If we cut from this end, cannot match with this. You see, this piece cannot go. This piece can go. Okay, that's thing you have to be really careful. Need to measure. We put after one piece, we measure, align with this edge, this low end. Okay, we align this end to this low end. Okay, then we mark it near the threshold. Okay, we mark it here almost, and we cut it. Okay. Cut this. Okay, this side there's a little piece here. Okay, we almost align everything, but we made one mistake. We should have to avoid this flower. We should have to put this below this grout line. Then it's look good, because now we cut half of the flower. Doesn't look good. My daughter told me that. I forgot to do that. Then when you guys do it, don't cover the flower like this. It's supposed to be below here. Then it's look good. Just putting the grout over this backsplash, and this is regular poly blend grout. I mix it. Okay.